Alma, the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch. It is March 1st, 2021. We made it to March. It's such a big deal in Bulgaria. March 1st is called Baba Marta, Grandma Marta, and we celebrate the spring, pretty much coming. So we need to wear this white and red, all sorts of, oh, there's so many combinations. Google Martenica and you'll see. I'm out of red already, so these are the last two I could produce because I have a lot of white, but I'm out of red. So since we cannot, in the 30 years I live in Canada, I used to receive Martinici every year in the mail from my relatives and friends, but not anymore. Canada Post. Okay, no Martinici this year, but we can make some. Then my project of the day, I started early because I wanted to make Baba Marta in a painting. So, but I never paint her as an old woman for some reason. So I started my painting in the morning, and so this was supposed to be my Baba Marta. Okay, so very interesting. Look again. Who do you see? Okay, I have to say that once I started painting, this turned out to be nobody else but actress Rosamund Pike. She just won Best Actress award last night at the Golden Globes. Okay. The Golden Globe is hers. Did I tell you a week ago that she's gonna win? For her movie, I Care a Lot? No wonder. She's gonna also win the Oscar. Mark my words. I told you she's gonna win. And yeah, okay, just ended up like her. Rosamund Pike, an amazing actress. An amazing movie. I don't know, I'm not saying that I'm a psyche, but once I saw the movie, it was obvious. The same thing happened in 1990, I think, no, sorry, 2014 when we were watching the World Soccer Cup. And so it started, and on the first day we made a bet. And I have proved that I said Germany is going to be the champion. And then so a month later, they won. It just happened. Enjoy the video. The video is from the morning. The birds are back, and we're going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is March 2nd, and it's going to be a Tuesday.